Adjustable temperature electric soldering iron set, European plug, stable performance, non-slip handle, safe and anti-scalding. Key function display, long press to quickly adjust the temperature. Apply rosin to the tip of the soldering iron. Solder wire bottle. Fast heating, safe and easy tin. Impurities can be cleaned on soap sponges. Small forceps, miniature pliers, easy to operate in a small space. Solder pipette for quick removal of solder. Separate the solder body. Various styles of soldering iron tips. The soldering iron head can be replaced by rotating the stainless steel tube sleeve out. After heating, it can be tinned safely and quickly. Six-piece set of desoldering aids. It is used to assist in welding and repairing various circuit boards. Used for circuit board components. Pressing, drilling, prying, poking, cutting, scraping, hooking, brushing, pulling and other operations.